Ever wondered how porcupines give birth without turning the whole thing into a disaster movie? Simple. Baby porcupines are born squishy, with no sharp quills at all. Their quills start popping out after 1 to 2 hours and harden over the next few days. Kind of like your nails when life gets stressful. When a porcupine's relaxed, its quills stay flat. But startle it? Boom! Instant weaponized hedgehog mode. And the coolest part? Every quill is hollow, acting like a natural airbag that even helps them float. So the real question is, would you ever adopt a walking spike ball?